Everyone is still mourning the death of Davido and Chioma's son, Ifeanyi, but as I say, life goes on. Hi, and welcome to your ever-buzzing KOKO Weekly Rundown. The death of Davido's son was and is still a shock to everyone. Since Ifeanyi Adeleke died, Davido has only been on the gram once to unfollow DJ Copy and her billionaire father, Femi Otedola. Before we go any further, let's clarify this. Many have speculated that the reason Davido unfollowed the Otedolas is because they celebrated Femi Otedola's 60th birthday while he was mourning the death of his son. It doesn't make sense, right? Because according to reports, the Otedolas sent their condolences. So something is fishy and time will tell. Obio's Away Festival that was to take place this November was moved to November next year, and everyone understands. Social media has missed the king of the 30BG gang, and fans can't wait for him to be back. Although he was spotted at a barbing salon where he was cutting his hair and the singer had red and swollen eyes. Obio should stand strong because this too shall pass. Moving on, Wizkid has dropped his 5th studio album and Vector has also dropped his album. Fans have stated that Vector dropping his album today is wrong timing because Wizkid's album will overshadow it. We have nothing to say on this table. Let the biggest man win. Hush Puppy has been sentenced to 11 years in prison. An international rapper, 50 Cent, has said that he will be producing a series on Hush Puppy. 50 Cent didn't see any other thing in Nigeria to do a series on, but chose Hush Puppy. It is well. Still speaking of Hush Puppy, hours after his sentence was declared, the fraudster was seen chatting with a friend from prison. Of course, this can never happen in a Nigerian prison. Let's just move on. Many celebrities celebrated their birthdays over the week and they all slayed like the stunning gems that they are. They include Toke Makinwa, Liliana Fegbai, BB Niger, Dorothy, Lillian Batch, etc. Our Nigerian celebrities channeled their inner Wakanda spirit as they all slayed like gods and goddesses to the red carpet of the movie premiere in Nigeria. See how some celebs slayed. The fashion industry is going up the ladder with speed. So that is all for this week. See you next week.